Hello there, welcome to this YouTube channel. So quickly, this video is for forex traders that are beginners. What I'll be teaching in these videos is for complete beginners, right? I'll be teaching market analysis and the types of market analysis. So most videos on YouTube tells you that there are two types of market analysis, but in this video, I'll be showing you the three types of market analysis, what they are, and which one is the best to use. So stick around to the end of the video if you want this kind of information. I'll see you inside of my screen. Hello guys, so welcome inside of my screen. So this information I'm going to be giving you was taught on my forex trading course that cost about $200, right? And you are getting it for free. Now, I'm not going to be giving you the whole thing. It's just an intermediate fees knowledge, right? Now, you must understand that I talked about market analysis and I said that what do you understand by the term market analysis and what are the types of market analysis. First off, before we talk about the types of market analysis, which are there are actually three types, let's talk about the the term market analysis, what it means. So market analysis simply means gathering of information, gathering of data about the market. It is just separate the word market and analysis. Market is kind of an industry. Analysis is doing your survey, feasibility study to understand what is actually going on in that market, understand if that industry is a profitable one or not. So if you are to join it together, is simply doing your feasibility study or your survey study about a particular market, gathering of informations about a particular market. And there are three types of analysis, meaning that there are three types of ways you can gather this information, right? Or there are three ways you can get this information. We have one, which is the fundamental analysis, right? We also have the technical analysis and the sentimental analysis. So we have the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, and the sentimental analysis. So that's pretty much it. We have the fundamental, we have the technical, and the sentimental. So let's talk about what is fundamental analysis, right? Fundamental analysis is simply gathering of fundamental data, right? Fundamental data like economical news, political news, news like NFP, right? News like CPI. You understand? News like unemployment claims of a particular country. To understand the strength of that particular currency, right? Because in forex, we deal with currency, right? So you have to study that particular currency, study the country that uses that particular currency, study the economical data of that currency, study the government, study that the banks of that currency, right? We have to study all economical data, right? So there are some important news release and where to find them. So the best place to find these news are Forest Factory. So let me take you to Forest Factory. You go to your web browser, simply just search for Forest Factory, click on it, and it will take you to this website, right? This website is where you find all your news events, right? So these are the news events for today, which is Monday, and these are the news events for the week throughout, right? Now you also need to also use fundamental data. You also need to know the uses of all this information that are listed here, right? Because they are very, very important, right? Some are important than some, and some are less important than the others. Let's talk about technical analysis. Technical analysis is simply gathering of historical data about the chart to know where the price is going to be in the future, right? It is simply the gathering of information about the chart, everything that has happened in the past about the chart, meaning that you are going to your trading view, you are looking at every price movement that has happened before in 2020, in 2021, in 1980s. Just look at all the chart data, right? Using support and resistance, all those information, granting of all those information to know what is going to happen in the future. Do you understand? That is what technical analysis is. And we have sentimental analysis. Sentimental analysis, although there are some tools used for sentimental analysis, which I will not be saying in this video, but the sentimental analysis is simply understanding the human emotions or traders' emotions when it comes to trading, right? So these are the three types of analysis. We have the fundamental, technical, and sentimental analysis. And the one may I personally use is technical analysis and a little bit of fundamental analysis, right? All right, so guys, those are like the three type of analysis we have when it comes to market analysis, right? Technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and sentimental analysis, right? I don't want to say much in this video. because there are some persons that actually did pay for this information. So I don't want to just say much. So guys, with all that being said, I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.